Every industrial plant generates massive amounts of data, but most struggle to see it clearly when it really matters. One of the biggest challenges industries face is the lack of integrated reporting. Data comes from multiple systems, but nothing connects, and without a unified view, the full picture remains unclear. Plant data is scattered across multiple automation brands, making it difficult to bring everything together in one place. Management still receives only day-end reports, leaving no room for real-time decisions. Most plants have no early warning signs before failures. Issues are detected only after breakdowns occur. And without real-time energy monitoring, huge losses go unnoticed until it's too late. And without historical trend analysis, plants can't see patterns, and the same problems keep repeating. These data challenges directly impact operations, slowing down decision-making, increasing downtime, and driving up operational losses. All of this reduces efficiency, hurts profitability, and affects overall plant performance. Industrial IT Solutions presents Introducing Plant IQ 360, the industrial intelligence platform designed to transform how your plant sees, understands, and acts on data. With real-time dashboards, you can monitor key performance indicators instantly, anytime, from anywhere. Plant IQ 360 includes an industrial-grade historian, built for high-speed data capture and long-term reliability. Plant IQ 360 offers universal connectivity, enabling seamless integration with all your automation and control systems. With smart analytics, Plant IQ 360 unlocks deeper insights, helping your plant operate with greater efficiency and clarity. Plant IQ 360 gives you complete deployment flexibility, so you can choose the solution that fits your plant, on-premises, cloud, or hybrid. Plant IQ 360 brings clear operational advantages, faster decisions through real-time data visibility, and lower downtime by identifying issues before they become failures. Transform your industrial plant into a smart connected ecosystem by integrating advanced technologies that enhance visibility, improve efficiency, and optimize every operation across the plant. The future of industrial plants lies in data-driven intelligence, where every challenge becomes an opportunity through clear, actionable insights. Connect with us today, and let's unlock the true potential of your operations.